I secured All India Rank 10 in UPSC Civil Services Examination 2020. And I would have cleared this examination at the age of 21 had the examination not been postponed, but that's another matter. And we all are in the same group. So I have been given the topic to talk about how to clear this examination in first attempt at the earliest stage. पंचवर्षीय योजना नहीं बनाना है तो. So I will be in bilingual if possible, so that I can express my feelings and emotions in a better manner. So first of all, let's talk about the time management, because I feel that if you want to clear this examination in first attempt, the first thing that you need to manage is your time. You cannot afford to waste time. वो YouTube पे motivational videos देख के time waste नहीं करना. IAS IPS की शादी हो रही है, IAS entry IPS entry हो रही है. Do not waste time upon that. You know, everybody has that experience. Even I used to watch those videos when I was in second or third year. But you must become mature to clear this examination. The second point I would like to mention is the plan. You must have a plan. Otherwise, you won't be able to clear this examination. Now, how to make a plan? All those students who are watching this video must have a clarity of thought. Ask yourself this question: why are you here? Why are you preparing for this examination? That will give you the push to prepare for this examination. Now, how to make a plan? You must prepare for at least 1.5 years to clear this examination in the first attempt. Those who say that 5-6 महीने में हो जाएगा, I do not believe them. So 1.5 years का आपको plan बनाना है, and then delineate the topics as well as the syllabus that you want to cover in these 4 months. In these months. For example, let's say in October I have decided to cover society and governance of mains topic. Divide those subtopics into weekly and daily plan, and then achieve those topics, achieve that plan at any cost. जब कुछ भी हो जाए करना है, 10-12 घंटे पढ़ने पड़े, but आपको पढ़ना है. The second thing I want to say is the confidence. Motivation. Now बहुत सारे aspirants पूछते हैं कि I get bored while studying, motivation कैसे लाए? तो वही they then turn to the Instagram and YouTube, और कब सुबह हो जाती है रात से पता नहीं चलता है. So avoid that thing. The only source of motivation is you. Internal motivation is the only source. Ask yourself this question: why are you here? Then only you will be able to clear this examination. Further, I have written some points in my phone also. I would like to share that. So what you have to do, what was my approach is that I revised all those standard books at least 10 to 15 times, because until unless you are done with that many times of revision, it will become very difficult for you to solve the questions of prelims with full confidence. अब वो लोग जो कभी सरकारी बस स्टैंड पे गए हैं, लाइक इन ईस्टर्न यूपी एंड बिहार, उन्हें एक मिलेगा बिस्लेरी का बॉटल, दूसरा मिलेगा बिल्सेरी का बॉटल. सो यू विल गेट कंफ्यूज कि असली कौन है. सो सेम हैपन्स इन द प्रीलिम्स की ABCD इसमें सही कौन है. So the only way forward is the revision. Revise those standard books as many times as you can. The simple formula for me was कि तब तक पढ़ना है जब तक बुक ना बोल दे छोड़ दे मुझे. अब बुक तो कभी बोलेगा नहीं, तो keep on revising, that's it. So like standard books like Lakshmikant I revised 20 times, and the Spectrum 15 to 20 times, and the rest like 10 to 12 times. Now let's come to the mains preparation. The simple formula of mains preparation is your schedule. You must have a broad timetable in your mind. अब बहुत लोग होते हैं, मैंने भी मिस्टेक किया था, एकदम स्टिकी नोट्स पे लिखेंगे 8 AM वेकअप, 8 to 8:30 वॉक, 8:30 to 10:30 पॉलिटी. Those timetable never work. In my personal experience, you must have a broad time framework in your mind. 5 बजे उठना है, 5:30 बजे वॉक करना है, वो सब I do not think that those type of timetable work. And apart from these, I believe the day one answer writing practice की पढ़ाई शुरू किया नहीं कि आंसर लिखने बैठ गया, that should also be avoided. अदरवाइज आंसर पता ही नहीं तो लिखेंगे क्या, और लिखेंगे नहीं तो मोटिवेशन नहीं आएगा. देन यू फील भगवान ये क्या हो रहा है. सो द ओनली वे फॉरवर्ड इज मेक नोट्स. फॉर मेन्स यू हैव टू मेक कंप्रिहेंसिव नोट्स ऑन एवरी सिंगल टॉपिक दैट इज मेंशन्ड इन द सिलेबस, एंड देन रिवाइज इट 2-3 टाइम्स, एंड देन स्टार्ट राइटिंग आंसर्स. अदरवाइज सब कुछ फिर लफड़ा में पड़ जाएगा. नाउ फॉर इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन, आई थिंक समवन हियर गॉट 215 marks. She will be better able to guide you for interview. Now I have some broad points that you must keep in mind while preparing for UPSC, those who want to clear in the first attempt. The first thing is avoid time waste. You do not have time. Those who are appearing in 2022 or 2023, that doesn't matter. You do not have time. So the simple formula is delineate the sources where you are wasting your time. For example, peer group is the biggest source of time. Like I have been living in Karol Bagh from like 2.5 years to 3 years, and I have noticed कि 30 मिनट पढ़े नहीं कि चाय पे चर्चा करने निकल जाते हैं. So avoid that thing. Always have positive people in your friend circle who will add value in your life. For example, I would like to give one personal example. Like I have only one friend in UPSC circle. He was from Shriram College of Commerce, and he taught me how to finish one book per day. So always, you know, फ्रेंड सर्किल में उन्हीं लोगों को रखो जिनसे आप कुछ इंस्पिरेशन ले सको, जिनसे आप कुछ सीख सको। अदरवाइज टाइम वेस्ट करने के लिए इस वर्ल्ड में 9 बिलियन पीपल है, किसी के पास चले जाओ बहुत टाइम वेस्ट हो जाएगा। सो दैट्स इट, आई थिंक दैट इज इट। हाँ, द if I want to summarize my whole address into 3-4 points, first is have a plan, proper strategy, और उस प्लान को किसी हाल में करना है। सेकंड, अवॉइड टाइम वेस्ट एट ऑल कॉस्ट, बिकॉज यू नो घर में बहुत पैसा है, यहाँ पे आओ तो अलग बात है, टाइम वेस्ट कर सकते हो। अदरवाइज सी यू हैव टू बी वेरी क्विक, अदरवाइज 10 लाख लोग हैं इस फील्ड में। एंड द थर्ड थिंग इज कंसिस्टेंसी। 10-12 घंटे, 10 घंटे तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो गया, 8 घंटे भी डेली सेल्फ स्टडी इफ यू आर डूइंग, यू आर ऑन द राइट ट्रैक, यू आर इन द टॉप 1% ऑफ दिस होल UPSC crowd. So that's it from my side.